after 2 years of, being immersed in QSR, what have you identified as the biggest challenges facing QSRs today?
Well, I think I'm not speaking specifically about BurgerFi here, but as a customer, my doctor tells me I shouldn't, but I visit a lot of different fast food restaurants and test them out, see what's
Mhm.
happening. I would say speed of service is a big challenge in the industry right now. It's gotten better. Like I can tell it's gotten better, and it probably stems from the labor situation. When you don't have, when you're missing one person, then everything gets messed up in the restaurant. It's like the manufacturing facility I described. If you're missing someone on the line, everything backs up. And so you'll see that at drive-throughs around America where car lines are really long. And I think speed of service and trying to get customers fed in a timely fashion, and then also managing the expectations of online customers and in-store customers is a challenge that I don't think the restaurant industry as a whole has managed to control yet. Uh, I think online's a little better. Uber and DoorDash do a pretty okay job of telling you your food's going to be there between 30 and 50 minutes. I mean, it's such a wide range that it's, hard to mess that up, but sometimes they do. Um, but if you walk in the store, there's no way to know, is this going to be a long wait or
Mhm.
am I going to be in and out? Because those offline or the online orders, I should say, are hitting that kitchen and delaying your order, but you just don't see that line, right?
No, such a good point. Jen and I just covered a whole, drive-through report and how, speed of service has actually gone up, order accuracy has gone down. And
Right.
so, and how does that affect the back of the house and tying that all together? So you
Yep.
make a great point and definitely something we hear operators, express to us as well. And so I hope you don't mind me asking, but what are some of the specific challenges that a brand like BurgerFi faces?
We uh we've been really focused on that speed of service. So
Okay.
we have been measuring that and giving that to our operators, our general managers, since June timeframe, and explaining to them the importance of it. And so BurgerFi has challenges with that too. So we've made it an emphasis in the store. And if you think about it, if you measure it, you can change it. And even though an individual may have a longer speed of service, our averages have come down. And I think that on a whole, it's a better experience than it was 6 months ago because we've made it a focus.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot to talk about there with even Chick-fil-A having the slowest speed of service among the
Ah,
fast food brands.
you'd say that. That's funny. I had breakfast with Andrew Cathy the other day, and as part of a group breakfast, and he was saying that was not a fair analysis
Yep.
because I don't know if you realize this, but Chick-fil-A drive-throughs are actually start further back. They're closer to the entrance, and the
Okay,
way
yeah.
they time it is from the time you take your order to the time you receive your order. And Chick-fil-A has more cars between the order take and the order pickup versus most places like a Burger King. All the cars are waiting behind the order place line. So
Yeah.
he was very sure that he would win that battle if they took the timing the right.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, they're still going to have the highest satisfaction scores, which is great. But yeah, that's we talk about true speed of service quite a bit over here about,
Yep.
when you actually get into the queue and how long you're waiting in the queue to even put in your order. So there's a lot of really interesting stuff around that.